What does a business analyst actually do? Think of the BA as the bridge between business stakeholders, end users, and the delivery teams building the solution. They do not just take notes, they uncover what the business really needs. A BA elicits requirements through interviews, workshops, observation, and document analysis. They analyze processes, data, and business rules to spot gaps, risks, and improvement opportunities. Then they document requirements clearly, so solutions can be designed, built, tested, and understood by everyone. They also validate the final solution against the original business need and help teams make informed decisions. The best BAs combine clear communication, active listening, structured questioning, visual modeling, negotiation, and basic data literacy. But remember, a BA is not the project manager, not the developer, and not usually the final decision maker. Want to explore the role? Search LinkedIn, Indeed, or read for business analyst jobs. Then compare three descriptions and spot the common responsibilities.